Welcome. This is the homework solution for Monday, August 19th, 2019. Right? We have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 10, 11, and 12 says tell whether the blue figure is a rotation of the red figure about the origin. If so, give the angle and direction of the rotation. Okay? If so. So if it's not a rotation, you don't give the angle or direction. Alright, so the first one. Remember, it's going from the blue to the red. So it starts here at the blue, then it goes to the red. Alright? So we have this. See if this is a rotation, okay? I'm going to rotate it. Let's rotate it to left. Nope, doesn't match. So, does that work when we try to turn it? Nope. So you would write not a rotation. So here we would write not a rotation. Okay? What about this one? Okay, again we start from the red, right? Then we go to the blue because the blue is a rotation of the red. So I'm gonna grab that right here, the red, and I'm gonna rotate it. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it. Let's see, rotate it left. Nope. Let's do that again. Let's see if I can rotate that. Right? Yep, that seemed like it matched, right? Yep. So it turned, so it rotated counterclockwise. Okay, it went from here and it turned there. So we would say rotation, and we would say 90 degrees clockwise. No, it would be counterclock. Okay, because it went from this is 3 o'clock. It went from 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, I mean this. Okay, because this is 12 and this is 3, right? A normal clock goes from 12 to 3 to 6 to 9. If it's counter, right, it goes right here from 3 to 12. You see, that's why it's called counterclockwise. Okay, what about this one? 12. Ooh, it goes all the way over there. Let's see if we can do that. So, we rotated it right. Nope. Let's do that again. Oh, let's do that again. Select that object, right click, rotate left. Does that work? Okay, then we have to rotate it again, left. Boom. Perfect. So, it did matched. So, let's do that. Rotate once, which is 90. End up here. We rotate it again, another 90. Two 90s become 180. So, yes, we would say here it is a rotation of 180 degrees. There's no clockwise or counterclockwise because either way you do it, it always ends up this way for 180 degrees. Okay, so that is your answer for the first three. Let me just bring this back here so you can see it much better. Okay, alright, let's do 13 and 14. The vertex of a figure are given. Rotate the figure as described. Find the coordinate of the image. You have A, B, C, and D here. Okay, so let's plot those points first. Okay, I'm going to draw the axes here just to make it look good. Let's see. Hopefully this is down the middle. So that's my X. No, that's my Y. And I can make this. I'm going to make this my X. Okay. So this is my Y axis. Okay. Whatever up and down and left to right is my X axis. Alright. Let's put the dot here. Let's make that red. I'm just going to make that red, okay? First one. Oh, nope, it should be fill. Let's zoom in a little bit more, okay? So the first one, 2, 3. So 2 the x, because again this is x, then the second one is the y. So 2, 1, 2, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And this would be A. Let's do that for B. This is at 4, comma 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1. And we're going to call that B. Then 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 the x. 1, 2, 3. 3 in the negative 3 in the y. And we're going to call that C. Um, and then 2 comma 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very interesting shape. Is this right? Let's see. Good, good. Yep, okay. That's it. That is the shape. And we call that what? What are we going to call the last one? The last one was the letter D. Okay. Alright, so now let's just connect it. There we go. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Now we're going to do a 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay. So, very simple. You're going to rotate this 90 degrees. So let me show you. Watch this. Okay. I'm going to do a trick. Right. Here is the right triangle. And the new one is going to be, it went 2 to the right, so it's going to go 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 3, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So it should be at this point. That would be A. That would be where A is. So hold on. So right. So this was where A was. Okay. Same thing here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. I went 2 across, 4 down. Okay. 2 across, 4 down. So I'm going to do this. 2 down, 4 across. I just do this, but in the opposite direction. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how I went 4 to the right, 1 down? So I'm just going to switch that. Here, let me show you what I mean. So you see how B, I went 4 across and 1 down? Its transformation is going to be 1. Oh my gosh. 1 across and 4 down. Or roughly like that. Okay. Let's see if that is right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 1 down. Okay. So this is 1 across, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's it. What's the next one? The next one is C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 across, 1, 2, 3 down. 4 across, 3 down. 4 across, 3 down. 4, 2 across, 3 down. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3 across, 1, 2, 3, and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Connect it now. Good. There you go. And boom. So if I rotated that, it looks like this. If you would like to see the points, which one would be A? Oops. If you want to see it, this is where A prime is. D prime B prime. And here we want to see C prime. There you go. So it goes from here to here. Okay. All I'm doing is I'm basically rotating it using a pinwheel, right? Or a right triangle. Okay? But this is just doing it visually without drawing the triangles. Okay. Alright. So next one. 14. Alright. Okay, here I would have to first get my axes. So this is gonna be my X. No, that's my Y. And that's my X. So this is my Y. And that's my X. Okay. I'm gonna plot the dot points. Okay. 2, -3. So 1, 2, -3. 1, 2, 3. And that's A. The next one is 4, -1. So 4 in the X. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1 in the Y. We'll call that B. C, which is 4, 3, right? 4, 3. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, -3. 1, 2, 3. We'll call that C. And the next one is 2, 4. So 1, 2, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And that is D. Is this the same one from before? Is it the same one from before? It is. Connect it. Okay. Now, 180 degrees rotation. Oh man, I kind of messed up my axes. I think I made this one lower. It's fine. Okay. So in this case, if we rotate it 90, it would end up here, but I want to go 180. So let me show you here. Watch this, watch this. This is really cool. So you see how this is the first right triangle? It goes down 2. Oh, goes 2 here. Then it goes down here. 3. So it's going to be the same thing here. You see? Because here it has to go across 2, up 1. See? It's that pinwheel. It's turning. So this should be where A is. Okay. So it's right here. This is where A was. But the new one is called A prime. Okay. Then D. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 across 2. 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 across 2. 1, 2. And that is called D prime. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1. So up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 across. Down 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1. And we're going to call that B prime. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 across. 1, 2, 3. So this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And now we connect it. And there you go. So if we rotate this object, it turns here, then it turns up there. Okay. Oops. Okay, let me grab this, move it over for you. There you go. So that would be your complete answer to the works. I could also move this up if you want, like, if that helps. Okay, so there you go. That's all your solution, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 for Monday, August 20th.